Pakistanis planning to perform Hajj will now be able to choose their preferred pilgrimage year under the country's first 4-year Hajj policy. The Hajj policy for 2027 to 2030 introduces a digital registration and waiting list system intended to give pilgrims greater flexibility and make long-term planning easier. Religious Affairs Minister Sardar Mohammad Yusuf announced the policy in Islamabad on Wednesday, describing it as the beginning of lasting reforms in Pakistan's Hajj arrangement. Under the new system, applicants will be able to reserve their preferred year by depositing an estimated 10% of the total Hajj cost. Places will be allocated on a first-come, first-served basis through a digital waiting list. The government says the system will cover every stage of the process, from registration and payments to complaints and the post-Hajj review. The policy also introduces longer contracts for accommodation, transport, catering, flights, and cargo services. These agreements could run for 3 to 4 years, with the government hoping that advanced planning will improve service quality and reduce costs. The division of the national Hajj quota will remain unchanged through 2030, with 60% allocated to the government scheme and 40% to private operators. The federal cabinet will retain the authority to revise that formula. Pilgrims using the government scheme will be offered packages of different durations to accommodate varying needs and budgets. The government also plans to gradually reduce its direct operational role and focus more on regulation, monitoring, and quality assurance. This would allow greater private sector involvement while keeping operators subject to performance standards. Private Hajj companies will be required to use a dedicated government portal for bookings, payments, audits, and monitoring. All payments will have to pass through designated banking channels to improve financial transparency and protect pilgrims. Companies will be assessed on the quality of their services and compliance with regulations, rather than only on the size of their allocated quotas. And independent third parties will review both government and private Hajj arrangements. A digital complaints system and a formal appeals process will also be established. The policy promises refunds of any money left over from Hajj dues once the operation has concluded. Pilgrim training will be expanded to cover religious rituals, health precautions, emergency procedures, mobile applications, and Saudi laws. The existing Hajj protection scheme will continue to provide financial assistance in cases involving death, accidents, or emergency evacuation. A dedicated emergency response team will also be created. The government says the new framework is aligned with Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030 and is intended to bring greater predictability, accountability, and transparency to Pakistan's Hajj system. Its first major test will be whether the new digital waiting list and longer-term contracts can make the pilgrimage more affordable and easier to manage for millions of prospective pilgrims. For more details, read the Dawn story linked in description.